Hi guys, welcome back. You may have noticed we got macOS Sonoma running on this old MacBook. So today we're going to show you how to install macOS Sonoma on unsupported Mac. Make sure you have at least 8 GB of RAM and SSD installed in it. And for better performance, we recommend you to install this macOS Sonoma on at least a 2012 machine or newer. Now, let's dive right in. First, update Mac to the latest version. Before install macOS Sonoma, back up your Mac first. And you can do this with built-in Time Machine. Connect an external hard drive to your MacBook. Open Settings and go to General. You will see Time Machine here. Set the external hard drive as backup disk. Then you can go up to the menu bar and click the clock icon to back up your computer immediately. Now, open any browser and go to GitHub to get OpenCore Patcher. You can also find the link in the description below. So you can see supported models here. Scroll down and click the link to download OpenCore Patcher. Extract the zip file, and you have the app here. Open it. If you can't open it, go to Settings to allow apps from anywhere. Then let's go back to OpenCore. Click Create macOS Installer here. And we want to create a macOS Sonoma installer. So here click on Download macOS Installer. We get a list of available installers here. Click macOS 14. Then it will start to downloading the installer. Once done, you may be asked for your administrator password. Just put it in. Then it's time to create a bootable macOS installer. We also uploaded a video about it. You can click the card to watch it. So, we need a USB with at least 16 GB of storage. And also, make sure there is nothing important in it because we're gonna format it next. Plug it into your computer. Click on the USB to be erased. It will pop up for your confirmation to erase the USB. Click Yes. Enter your password if asked. Once completed, you will get a message like this. Click Yes. Then install OpenCore to disk. Select the USB. Now, we're ready to install macOS Sonoma. Reboot your computer. Hold the Option key to enter boot menu. Select EFI boot with yellow hard disk here. click on Install macOS Sonoma. Now, you have macOS Sonoma installed on your computer. If it doesn't perform well like this, you can downgrade it and restore with your backup. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.